Guys, are you in love with Douyin makeup? Okay. Does your makeup end up like this? Douyin makeup. Okay. Does your makeup look like this after that? Or look like this after that? So, Douyin makeup, right, is not really practical for regular use. So I'm going to show you how to do regularly, okay? That you can use it for work. So I already done my foundation. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this highlighter. So I got this highlighter. I love it. Okay, you can click onto this link to order, okay? So, and then you just have to apply like this. Okay, apply on all your laughing lines to lighten the laughing lines. Then you apply your foundation over again. Okay, so this is how I cheat in a sense. Okay. So you can see it blends very well. Okay, I've already blended, and then after that, if you want to highlight this area, you can. Then remember to use your foundation over again. Okay, so this is how you highlight. Ta-da! Can you see? Okay, I'm going to do the other side. So this is how you blend your highlighter with your foundation together. Don't just blend with the highlighter and then forget about putting the foundation over, okay? Then after that, you will take picture and then you can see here whitish. So that's why a lot of celebrity makeup artists, they make that boo-boo, okay? So next round, I'm going to show you how to do the regular Douyin makeup, okay, that you can use for daily use. So I'm going to add highlight again, okay, using this. Okay, sorry, forgot to show you this picture. So this is how you highlight. So just now you saw me doing this part, right, and this part, right, and then I didn't highlight my chin area because I don't have a very nice chin, okay, but later I will highlight a little bit on the brow bone area. So brow bone area is very easy. You just have to like this. I'm going to show it to you. So brow bone area, right, you just have to highlight a little bit on the top lid here, and that's it. So that when you draw your brows ready, right, then your brows will appear 3D looking, okay, once you apply it on the brow area. That's the purpose of it. And next, I'm going to powder my whole face. I'm using Perfect Diary's powder. I still love this powder though. So I hope that Perfect Diary will bring it back to me. It's very good for oily skin, ladies, right, in this kind of stupid weather this summer. Okay, I really cannot take it anymore. I often go back to Korea, right, just to escape the heat. Okay, I hope I can stay in Korea. Please pray for me, guys. Okay, so I don't, if you realize, right, I don't sweep like this. I dab so that my makeup lasts longer this way. Okay, and one thing I like about this powder, right, if your skin is very oily, it doesn't melt. Okay, it doesn't streak at all. But of course, you must make sure your base is very hydrated. Your skin is well hydrated, well oiled, so that you don't have that cakey streakiness like just now that lady. Okay. Okay, next, right, I'm going to show you how to do contouring. I'm going to use this powder. This is by Catrice. Okay, I got it from the pharmacy. I always go to see, you know, contour powder doesn't need to be so expensive. So I always go and take a look at Catrice at the Guardian Pharmacy, right? And check their products. Okay, if I'm not wrong, Catrice is from Germany. I always love Germany products, okay, guys. I mean, other than they are very good in Mercedes-Benz and everything, right? But in terms of the products that they produce, they are very good compared to Japan and Korea as well, okay? Alright, next, I am going to use my Wake Make eyeshadow palette. I got this from my last Korea trip. You guys know that I love Korea so much. And I'm going to use just one color will do. Okay, if you all want to look young, right, if you're 47 like me, one color would be good enough, okay? Over the years, I find that because my eye shape has changed after the surgery I did, okay, so I don't have to apply a lot of colors, okay? It is a lifesaver. Okay, then after that, a little bit on the brow area, okay, and that's it. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the dark brown area, this part, and this part. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna use Dasic's blusher. I love this one, Muted Nuts trend range. Okay, so all you have to do let's just use this one. Okay, and then use these 3 items, not too much. Here, this part. It's like muted brown kind of makeup. Okay, and then the in color right now, right, is this Mistin. This one, right, I got this. Okay, you guys influenced me so much on TikTok that I got this one. Okay, if you're interested, get this one, right? It's on my get the link here, okay? To click on this link or click on the link on the comments. So all you have to do is just, okay, what I like about this blusher is very muted, so that you can apply very bright lips color. Okay, oh sorry, I forgot to show you all how to use that. Okay, all you have to do is just like this. It helps to plump your lips as well. Okay, draw your cupid area first here. 1, 2. Okay, fill up the blanks. Okay, fill up the lines here. Then you paint it in. Okay, it's glossy, and after a while, right, it will not smudge onto your cups or whoever you kiss as well. So it's a great date lipstick, lip gloss. So you can apply it thinly first for that muted, not so red look. But if you want a very red look, you can actually put more in the middle. Okay. Yeah. I actually love it. It's so pretty. It is such a pretty lipstick. It matches my yellow. Alright guys, so if you love this kind of makeup, please follow me for more, and I'll see you all soon in my next video.